Fractions. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to more math. Yay! Sure, some of you are excited. Some of you probably are crying. No, no more math. But come on, that's fun. Fractions. This is definitely the hardest topic so far. Hopefully, it won't take too long to explain, but I'll try my best. So, we'll just do a sub part of fractions, decimals. So, you have your standard number line, right? Let's just do 0 to 1. But what's all this space in here? What does that do? What is a number, say here? Well, it is after 0, but before 1. Okay? 0. The decimal point, okay? This is 0 point something. It is halfway through. And if we, write out the numbers, what is the halfway mark between the numbers? 5. So it's halfway, 0.5. Just like this would be 0.7. Right? But this here would be 0.6. What would this be? Okay. Let me get rid of the 0.6. Hold on. Okay. So what would this one right here be? It's in between 0.5 and 0.6. Okay. So if it's after 0.5, it's going to be 0.5. Okay, right? But then it's after, we need another number. So after the 5, halfway between 0.5 and 0.6, 0.55. Pretty simple. I hope you understood that. That's just the basic rundown of decimals. They just show, it's just very, very precise numbers. But you can get way more precise with fractions. Oh boy. Okay. So, a fraction, well, 1 over 1 equals 1, just like 2 over 2 equals 2. Okay? So, the bottom number, if you watch my mathematical operations video, that's division. This is just basically a way of symbolizing division. Okay? So, let's say 1 over 2. 1 divided by 2. What is that? Well, it's after 1. Okay? It's after 1. Oh, wait, no. I messed up. Hold on. Sorry. Right. So it's before 1. Okay? It is half of 1. So, one number is before 1. 0. What is in the half of that? 0.5. Simple. That is just 0.5. Okay? So, if we move down to, say, 2 over 2 over 2, right? Oh wait, I just realized that's meant to be a 1. Oops. That's meant to be a 1, okay, right? So, you can already see, but what's the reasoning behind it? Okay, so it is before 2. That's 0, that's 2, that's 1. Okay? It is before 2. Okay? It is and then it's higher than 0. So, what is the middle between 2 and 0? 1. Equals 1. I hope you're understanding this well so far. And whenever you input something into your calculator, instead of giving you a decimal, it'll give you a fraction, because 1 over 1 or 1 over 2 is a lot more accurate than 0.5. Not really, but whenever you get to infinite numbers, you can't really express that with decimals, like pi. Pi is probably a bad example because you never really express it as a fraction, but it is a fraction. 1 over 3 point dot dot dot. That is pi. Okay. Nope. I hope you understood this well. Because we're gonna be moving on to adding fractions. Bum bum bum. So now 2 over 3 add 1 over 2. Okay, so what do you think we'll do? Just add the numerator, which is the top one, and the denominator on each together, because that would give us 3 over 5. No. So, whenever you add fractions, you want the denominator to be the same. These two bottom numbers here. Okay? How would we do that? Well, times this side by 2 times this side by 3. Okay? That'll be 4 over 6 plus 3 over 6. Now, we can cancel out these 6's because that's the same. That's just basically equal to 4 over 3. I mean, it's still over 6, but just imagine it's 4 over 3, or 4 plus 3, which will give us 7 over 6. Right. So, that's addition. Multiplication, I already kind of showed you, but 2 over 4 times 1 over 2. You are correct in thinking if we just times the numerator and denominator of each, that is 2 over 8. Pretty simple. And as you know, division and subtraction are just the opposites of addition and multiplication, so hopefully you'll be able to figure it out. Next stop, though, is basic algebra. Very basic. And yeah, that'll be about it. And then we're done primary school. We'll head on to the beginning of secondary school level math. Alright. See you in the next one. Peace.